Hello friends, welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of exquisite wooden main door designs. In this video, we will take you on a visual journey through a stunning collection of wooden front door designs that will leave you inspired and upgrade your home entrance. So discover the timeless charm of wooden doors from classic to contemporary style and get ideas for selecting the perfect door that complements your home architecture and your personal style. So let's explore various finishes and colors that can enhance the aesthetics of your main door entrance and learn about the durability and security features of wooden doors. So see real life examples of how wooden main doors can add warmth and character to different types of home. If you're considering a main door makeover or simply appreciate the beauty of well-crafted wooden doors, this video is a must watch. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest design inspiration. Your dream entrance awaits. So friends, I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.